and lovely audience, art-loving audience. I'm very thankful to Dr. Supriya and Vinay sir to give me this opportunity to connect with the audience, an art-loving audience. जंगल में राज शेरनी का होता है. आप मध्य प्रदेश में आए हैं. शेरनी भी शेर से फाइट करके अपना पग बना के राज करती है. तो आप वुमेन हैं, आप ये मत सोचिए आप एक वीक जेंडर हैं. यू हैव टू मैग्नीफाई योर स्किल सेट्स. तो अब चूँकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस फिल्म में रहा है, मैं medicine, law, business, engineering, these are all noble pursuits and necessary to sustain life. But poetry, beauty, romance, love, these are what we stay alive for. हमारे घर में मेरी बहन का, मेरा और मेरे जमाई सा का एक आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ. Is it art that makes business or is it business that makes art? So जमाई सा said that art will die in solitude. Like आप लोग सब ऐसे सोचते होंगे. नहीं, but my sister, who is a very established singer, she said no, it's art that makes business. So you have to create your market. Like how I approached Jayant sir for this film. Like मैं लॉकडाउन में उनकी फिल्में देख रही थी और मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आया द वे इमोशनली उन्हें कन्विंसिंग एक उनका फिल्म मुझे पसंद आया. और मैंने उन्हें अप्रोच किया, मैंने फेसबुक पे मैसेज किया उन्हें. मैंने कहा मुझे आपके साथ काम करना है और मुझे ये आपके साथ फिल्म बनानी है. तो उन्होंने बोला ठीक है, मैं आपको टॉपिक्स देता हूँ. एंड फिर उन्होंने ये टॉपिक्स दिए. तो दिस वाज डिस्टोपियन ऑफ द फिल्म यू सॉ, मेरा नंबर कब आएगा, जो 2030 में एक कपल के बीच में आर्ग्यूमेंट हो रहा है बिकॉज वो प्रेगनेंसी कंसीव नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ओवर पॉपुलेशन के चलते. एंड उनमें डिवोर्स की तक सिचुएशन आ गई है. तो वो एक फिल्म थी और इसमें हमने यूज़ किया था रेड एपिक कैमरा. एंड आप इसमें चैलेंज ये था हमारे में कि टू डिज़ाइन द सेट, लाइक यू नो टू डिज़ाइन दैट 2030 आर्ट सेट वाज अ चैलेंज. तो आप जैसे आर्ट से रिलेटेड हैं तो आपकी भी कभी इच्छा होती होगी कि हमारी पेंटिंग इस फिल्म में आए या हम किसी आर्ट डायरेक्शन से इस एज अ आर्ट डायरेक्टर हम कुछ फिल्म में काम कर सके. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज कीप in touch with the filmmakers and art-loving people around you. You never know, you might just get lucky. So now, the best education is film is to make one. Stanley Kubrick. I didn't go to film, I went to films. Sir Walt Disney has said that it's kind of fun to do the impossible. So I tried to do the impossible. And I'm glad sometimes it's destiny also, it worked out. नहीं तो creative differences के चलते नहीं हो पाता. एक मेरी गुजरात के डायरेक्टर से बात हुई थी बट हमें इतना creative difference आया कि हमारा project नहीं हो पाया. But Jayant was very kind and you know like our thought process and all, everything matched and things worked out. Now I have worked for film tourism. Like the start at that time Facebook used to be a technological revolution. So I texted, you could connect to people very easily at that point of time. So some writer told me that Mr. Hukku is there, Sudhanshu Hukku, who also happens to be the batchmate of Ashutosh Govarikar and Amol Palekar. And you should connect with him for work, maybe if you like. So I saw that he was serving film tourism for a very long time, and I texted him, and we had a meeting, and he offered me to anchor for his show. And I was like, okay, you're going to pay me 35,000. And he was like, okay, like, you know, he himself offered me that. I said, wow, 35,000. I would love to anchor for this show. And then the last minute, जो उनकी एंकर कर रही थी 9 साल से, वो वापस आई. यानी शी सेड कि आई एम फ्री ऑन दिस डेज बिकॉज शी वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल, सो आई वॉज गिवन दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. ही सेड नाउ Prashanti, I'm really very sorry. She's back, and so would you like to do the production? I said, straight from stardom to production. I said, okay, I don't mind. Okay, I'll do the production. And that's how, when you actually do the production, like all these Ityadi art volunteers are doing the productions, that's where you make the contacts. that's where you get to interact with the people and all the, associated to that event. So I did the production, and I was introduced to all the line producers all across the globe, and inbound, outbound, and the event went well. And I'm still associated to that company as a free marketing basis. And I'm very thankful that they gave me that opportunity. So any opportunity that comes, ये मत सोचिए कि ये बड़ा काम है, ये छोटा काम है. आप काम करिए. आप जब काम करेंगे, तो आपको खुद वो एक confidence आता है. You get that confidence. No work is small. So वो ये मेरा एक experience था. And coming to this, there are various subsidies that are being provided by the tourism, like in India and in abroad. If you wish to shoot in abroad, Sir is a filmmaker, art film director. I happen to meet in Ityadi. So there are various subsidies available outside, like which you can explore. If you like to shoot in Hungary and want to do an art film, you can go there, speak to the embassy, and you can shoot whatever you like. And Ernst & Young and Chamber of Commerce industry की एक report है कि you could generate $3 billion business in film tourism. And 96% of Americans have visited the places associated with their favorite movies. So this industry is doing well, and women were less, as ma'am said, both the ma'am said. Women were less. I was the only woman out there, the first girl actually to even explore the film tourism and the whole thing and the concept. And then I entered production. So with that, I would also like to say that आप में यदि skill set है, you magnify your skills, आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता. You magnify your skills, आपका market खुद बनेगा. You just focus on your skills. And जाते जाते, because it's an art and literature festival, मैं बशीर बद्र की 2 लाइन बोलूँगी. मुसाफिर है तुम भी, मुसाफिर है हम भी. फिर किसी मोड़ पे फिर मुलाकात होगी. I'm sorry if I said a bit here. Thank you.